Introduce yourself, please.
Good day. I'm Mariarina Jocson. I'm 46 years of age. I'm married and my height is 5'1" feet tall and I'm 57 kilos.
What is your highest educational attainment?
Second year junior secretarial course.
What languages can you speak aside from English?
Just a little Arabic. That's it.
Do you have experience working as domestic helper here in the Philippines or abroad?
Yes, in Kuwait.
For how many years?
2 years.
Do you know how to operate electronic household appliances?
Yes, I know.
What specific appliances do you operate?
Washing machine, flat iron, vacuum cleaner, rice cooker, and others.
Can you take care of a young children or infants, or can you teach them?
Yes, I know how to take care and teach them.
How long have you been in babysitting?
For almost 20 years, I babysit my own children.
Do you know how to sterilize the feeding bottles?
Yes, I know.
How do you sterilize the feeding bottles?
I wash, then I sterile the bottle.
Can you sing a nursery rhyme to the children?
Yes, I know.
Can you give us example?
Okay. Fly, 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 the butterfly in the garden is flying high. In the middle is flying glow. Fly, 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 the butterfly.
How about elderly or sick person? Can you take care of them?
Yes.
How and what will you do if there are urgent or emergency cases?
I called the ambulance and I informed my employer.
Why do you want to work in Malaysia?
I earn money.
How do you handle your homesickness?
I focus at my work.
Are you willing to work with no day off?
Yes.
Any message to your prospective employer?
Yes. Sir, Ma'am, if I will be given the chance to be selected by employer, I promise to follow all the rules and regulation of my employer, to be a hardworking and trustworthy person. I also promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.